Hello and welcome to another series of today's GK. My name is Sonali. Let's begin with previous day practice question first. Question was, who has won India's first medal in the high jump at the Commonwealth Games 2022 recently? Lovepreet Singh, Tulika Mann, Tejaswin Shankar or Saurav Ghoshal? The correct answer is option C, Tejaswin Shankar. The Prime Minister of India has congratulated Tejaswin Shankar for winning India's first high jump medal. Tejaswin Shankar's bronze in high jump is also India's first in track and field at Commonwealth Games 2022. He clinched bronze with a jump of 2.22 meters on count back. He jumped more than 2.22 meter at his last CWG, that is 2.24 meter, and yet finished 6th at the Gold Coast during CWG 2018. Hence, option C is correct. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, consider the following pairs: tribal leaders and tribes. 1. Nilambar and Pitambar, Kharwar tribe. 2. Sidhu and Kanu Murmu, Santhal community. 3. Tana Bhagat, Bhil tribe. 4. Lakshman Naik, Adi tribe. Which of the following pair or pairs given above is or are correct? 1 only, 1 and 3 only, 1 and 2 only, or 1, 2 and 4 only? The correct answer is option C, 1 and 2 only. Ministry of Culture has released the third comic book on the stories of 20 tribal freedom fighters. Nilambar and Pitambar belonged to the Bhokta clan of the Kharwar tribe. They were inspired to revolt and led their people to revolt against British oppression. They were both captured and hanged. Sidhu and Kanu Murmu were from the Santhal community. They revolted against the British and their stooges. They led the Santhal in the Hull rebellion. Both were betrayed, caught and hanged. Tana Bhagat belonged to Oraon tribe and Lakshman Naik belonged to Bhuyan tribe. Hence, option C is correct. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding the Navik. 1. Navik satellites are placed in the higher orbit than the GPS of the United States. 2. These satellites are placed in geostationary orbit and geosynchronous orbit with an altitude of about 36,000 km. Which of the above given statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. According to the central government, India's satellite-based navigation system Navik is as good as the GPS of the United States in terms of position accuracy and availability in its service region. Navik can help in navigation on land, air and sea and in disaster management. Navik satellites are placed in a higher orbit than the GPS of the United States. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Navik satellites are placed in geostationary orbit and geosynchronous orbit with an altitude of about 36,000 km. Hence, statement 2 is also correct. Next question is, which of the following countries is not a founding member of ASEAN? Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand or India? The correct answer is option D, India. Recently, External Affairs of India Minister participated in ASEAN Foreign Ministers Meet. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations or ASEAN was established on 8 August 1967 in Bangkok, Thailand with the signing of the ASEAN Declaration, that is known as Bangkok Declaration. The founding members of ASEAN are Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore and Thailand. Today there are 10 member states of ASEAN. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is, which of the following best describes the Sumedha? Anti-tank missile, mountain range in Kerala, Indian Navy ship or new Indian Army rifle? The correct answer is option C, Indian Navy ship. As part of the Indian Navy's long-range deployment in the southeastern Indian Ocean, INS Sumedha is on a visit to Port Tanjung Binoa, Bali. Prior to entering Bali, the ship undertook a maritime partnership exercise with KRI Sultan Hasanuddin, a Sigma-class corvette of the Indonesian Navy. INS Sumedha is an indigenously built naval offshore patrol vessel. It is deployed for multi-roles independently and in support of fleet operations. She is part of the Indian Navy's Eastern Fleet based at Visakhapatnam. It functions under the operational command of the Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Eastern Naval Command. INS Sumedha is aimed at meeting the increasing ocean surveillance and patrolling requirements of the Indian Navy. Hence, option C is correct. Next question is, at which of the following places Northeastern Space Application Center, that is NESAC, is located? Guwahati, Gangtok, Itanagar or Shillong? The correct answer is option D, Shillong. NESAC Shillong will execute 110 projects in 8 northeastern states by 2024. These projects are in the domains of agriculture, water resources, forestry and ecology, planning and development, UAV remote sensing and disaster management support. Established in 2000 jointly with the Northeastern Council, that is NEC, NESAC is as an autonomous institution under the Department of Space. Its aim is to provide space technology inputs and services for the development of the NE region. It is engaged in executing remote sensing application projects. It is based in Shillong, hence option D is correct. Next question is, National Virtual Library of India has been developed and launched as Indian Culture Portal, Digital Library of India, Knowledge Library of India or Virtual Library Portal. The correct answer is option A, Indian Culture Portal. National Virtual Library of India has been developed and launched as Indian Culture Portal, that is ICP, on 10 December 2019 to showcase all forms of tangible and intangible cultural heritage of India. Hence, option A is correct. The ICP is funded by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. The portal has been created and developed by the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. It has a total of about 3.04 lakh digital artifacts with metadata. It also has more than 34.91 lakh bibliographic entries. The content is presented in 18 curated categories, namely rare books, e-books, archives, gazettes and gazetteers, etc. It also has 12 categories of created content, namely stories, snippets, photo essays, forts of India, textiles and fabrics of India, historical cities of India, etc. It is currently available in English and Hindi. It is available through the Umang app. Recently, a region, Hasdeo Aranya, was in news. It is in which of the following states? Karnataka, Kerala, Meghalaya or Chhattisgarh? The correct answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. Recently, the Chhattisgarh Legislative Assembly passed a private member resolution urging the centre to cancel allocation of all coal mining blocks in the ecologically sensitive area. The Hasdeo Aranya forests are called the lungs of Chhattisgarh. The Hasdeo Aranya means forest, lies in the catchment area of the Hasdeo River in north-central Chhattisgarh. Hence, option D is correct. Hasdeo River is a tributary of the Mahanadi River, which originates in Chhattisgarh and flows through Odisha into the Bay of Bengal. These forests are also the catchment area for the Hasdeo Bango Dam, built across the Hasdeo River, which irrigates 6 lakh acres of land, crucial to state with paddy as its main crop. Besides, the forests are ecologically sensitive due to the rich biodiversity they offer and due to the presence of a large migratory corridor for elephants. Next question is, Dongfeng missile is related to Russia, Taiwan, USA or China? The correct answer is option D, China. Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense has accused China of firing 11 Dongfeng ballistic missiles into waters to the northeast and southwest of the island as part of aggressive military drill. The missiles fired by the PLA's rocket force was reportedly the DF-15B versions of China's Dongfeng East Wind arsenal. These missiles were originally developed during the Cold War era with the help of the Soviet Union. It is a single-stage solid-fuel short-range ballistic missile similar in appearance to US Pershing rockets. It relies on a sophisticated guidance system housed inside its warhead. It measures 9.1 meters in length with a 373-mile range and a 500-kilogram payload typically used for strikes on small targets or specific areas. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is, what are tetrapods? The concrete structures to prevent erosion and water damage, marine organisms, a new species of plant in Indonesia, or a rocket system of NASA? The correct answer is option A, the concrete structures to prevent erosion and water damage. Tetrapod in Greek means four-legged. These are four-legged concrete structures that are placed along coastlines to prevent erosion and water damage. Hence, option A is correct. Tetrapods were first used in France in the late 1940s to protect the shore from the sea. They are typically placed together to form an interlocking but porous barrier that dissipates the power of waves and currents. These are large structures, sometimes weighing up to 10 tons. The interlocked tetrapods act as a barrier that remains stable against the rocks when buffeted by waves. Last question is, which of the following countries has won gold medal in para powerlifting men's heavyweight event at Commonwealth Games 2022? India, Bangladesh, Canada or Kenya? The correct answer is option A, India. India's para powerlifting Sudhir created a history as he bagged the gold medal in men's heavyweight event on the 7th day of Commonwealth Games 2022. Hence, option A is correct. The Commonwealth Games Federation, or CGF, is the organization responsible for the direction and control of the Commonwealth Games. It is an organization headquartered and incorporated in the UK, but working across 72 member nations and territories. Now it's time for the practice question. Carbon markets are associated with Minamata Convention, Stockholm Convention, Hyogo Framework or Kyoto Protocol. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.